Are you ready? Shall we get him out? Shall we? Okay. He's going to come out and he's just going to be wild. There we go. Yeah, they're children. Oh, I love children. You love children. I know you love children. Can you give them all a wave? Can you wave? Can you wave to him? Can you give him a wave? Fantastic. And what's that? You want to... Okay, I'll do that for you. He wants me to introduce him. Okay? So, when I say his name's... What? No, I'm not saying Jam. No, what? No. No, stop that. No, no. Yes, that's right. No. Jam? Yeah, okay. Okay. His name is the remarkable, the amazing, the fantastic. He's called, are you ready? Ben! Ben, that is your name. Ben? Oh, you want me to say Jam? Jam? You want me to do Jam? Okay. He's desperate. He wants me to introduce him as Jam. Okay, so let's do this. So, boys and girls, here is the amazing, the spectacular, the fantastic. Are we ready? Jam! Can you all wave to Jam? Woo! Jam, yes, exciting. I know. You're tired. I haven't played your music yet. Okay. All right. So Jam, we've already found out, Jam loves, right? He absolutely loves to play the drums. So without further ado, shall I go and get his music? Seriously, Jam, this isn't what we practiced earlier. Jam, Jam, Jam. Not what we practiced earlier. Jam, what did we practice earlier? Yeah? You're not going to get away with it. Jam, that is not what we practiced. I know it's the one you want to play, but it's not the one we practiced. Sing no, stop it, stop.
Pretty soon you're ready for more.
Bit harder, bit faster. Here we go. Jam. Whoops. Come and sit down, boys and girls. Jam would like to give this lovely bunch of flowers to the birthday girl. Jam, what are you doing? Jam, look at me. Jam, look at me. Why did you do that? That wasn't very nice, was it? No. We were supposed to give the flowers to the birthday girl, wasn't we? Right. So on the count of three, Jam, are you going to do it? So on the count of three, Jam is... What was that? You're going to do it, aren't you? You are going to do it on the count of three. So on the count of three, Jam is going to give the birthday girl a lovely bouquet of... What's this? You want to... give her the flowers yourself. Okay, I bet you give her the flowers yourself. Are you going to be a good Jam? You're going to be very good. Yes, you're going to be very good. Okay, so on the count of three, Jam is going to give the rest of the flowers to the birthday girl. Okay, are you ready, boys and girls? Are you ready? 1, 2. Oh, Jam, you're being such a good boy now. 3. Off you go. Oh. Oh, Jam, you were supposed to give the birthday girl this bunch of flowers. You've ruined the show. Yeah, you've ruined it. Have you seen what? Look at that. That's terrible, isn't it? Boys and girls, look, the flowers have just been ruined. Jam is very naughty. How can you put it right? You can't put that right. You want to put it. And he's going to make the flowers reappear. Okay. So he's going to use a magic word, and it's called. Are you ready for this? It's called have a banana. Are you ready? So on the count of 3, we're all going to shout the magic words, have a banana. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Was you responsible for that? Did you tell them to say that? I think you did. Yeah? You know what the magic word is. Are you going to tell me? Oh, I've told you all wrong. Sorry. It's not have a banana at all. Jam's just told me the magic word is abracadabra. Is that right? Is that right? Is that right? Abracadabra. Okay. On the count of 3, Jam is going to make the flowers reappear. And you say? And without further ado, whoops, you don't need, you've already made a few of them reappear, Jam. Yeah, stop it. And yes, he's made them all reappear. Well done, Jam. So he's going to go across, there we go, and give the flowers to the lovely princess, the birthday girl today. Whoa! Whoa, tricky! Whoa! Hey, hey. Woo. So, he's really nice actually, he's tricky. He's a tiny little fox. Okay, so what's that? You want to have some food? Yeah? Yeah, tricky? You want to have some food? Okay. So I'm going to give him a little bit of food. Here we go. So I'm just going to feed him, because he does like, he likes to be fed. He's a little bit tricky. He does do some tricks. Would you like to see some of his tricks? He's going to do a few tricks very soon. Just give him his food. Actually, he's a little bit thirsty. I'll just go get him his cup, yeah? Oh, stay there. Oh, he wants a cuddle.